Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn drawings into refined images. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. Here I'm on the screen and you can see I've already opened the site, that is scribblediffusion.com. The link is in the description of this video. You can find it there. Now there's no need to sign up or sign in anything. As you can see, they've already made a demo sketch for us. And here you can see turn your sketch into a refined image using AI. So let's get started. Okay, like if you want to do this, you can simply, like if you want to use this drawing, you can simply click on go and use that, but I will create the drawing of my own. So let's clear it and let's draw something here. Like I'm going to draw more like I will draw mountains. Okay, I'm sorry for my drawing here. And here I have I draw some mountains, and I will draw a river, a canal that is flowing from the mountain like this, and some water in it like this. And I will also create a little like a person here. And here it is. Okay, here's my drawing. And now we have to tell Scribble Diffusion that what is our drawing about. So I will write here like mountains, beautiful view of mountains with canal flowing from the mountains and going into the river, and a person alongside the canal is standing. And now I will click go. I just tried a random prompt, a random drawing to see the results. Now let's see. So here's my drawing and here is my prompt, and let's see what Scribble Diffusion can create. Okay, here we are. Here you can see these are the mountains. These are some like grass. Here is also grass, and these are the canals that are flowing from the mountains. So let's try another one very fast. Let's go. I will do something like something of a cat, I guess. Let's make a cat. I don't know how to make a cat, so I'm very sorry for that. And what we can create, like we can create a fish. Okay, I know how to create a fish, how to draw a fish like this. And now I'll create the eyes and some like this pattern and some bubbles. Now let's explain Scribble that what is about cat and a fish and some bubbles or and some bubbles. Okay, let's see what it can create. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, cat and fish and some bubbles. Here is my drawing, and let's see the results here. So okay, here we are. So this is generated from AI. I guess it needs more clear prompt, as there you can see a cat, there's a fish, there are some bubbles, and the cat is in the water because here you can see the cat is beneath the fish. So I guess AI is not very good, but if you make the clear prompt and the clear drawing, you can get the very good results. Let's refresh it and let's see what we can make from this. A photo of a cat. I will click on go. Okay, photo of full cat and click on go. So let's see. And there's the drawing. and head guest is also coming. Let's see. One more thing you need to remember that Scribble Diffusion is a free tool right now. You don't need to sign up or sign in or anything. Just simply go to the link and you can start using it. Okay, here are the results, just like the face of cat only. So a prompt help us a little, but the drawing is the main is the main source from where the AI will detect that what a Scribble Diffusion will create. So now you can see that there in the drawing there is only a face of a cat and not a full cat. So that's why the Scribble Diffusion generated the image. It redefined the image, and in the redefined image we can only see the face of a cat only. So that's it. You can use it. You can get the link from the description. Don't forget to share the video, like it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.